Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course for beginners. In this short video we're gonna take a look at basic font formatting. So in this worksheet we have a very basic stock list. And some of the simplest ways to change the text is to use in the Home tab in this font group. We can select the drop down list. Here the default font type in Excel is Calibri and usually size 11, but we want to change that. We can click in the drop down list and there are a range of options that you can pick from. So say which change here and increase the size to 60. It's easily done. If we want to also change our text size, you can also use this little increase or decrease next letters A buttons. So if we click this one, it go up in size and this one down in size. We can also make our text bold by holding this little B here. Or the shortcut for this is to hold down Ctrl plus B and it makes our text bold. Similarly, we can turn it into italics or underline, with the shortcuts being Ctrl I or Ctrl U respectively. It's Ctrl I for italics, Ctrl U or press the button for underline. And we can also change by clicking this little drop down arrow next to the underline button. You can make it double underline. Other options in this font tab are this little pen pockets, which is to fill the background color of your cell. So click on the drop down, there is a range of preset colors. Or if we don't like any of these, click on more colors. I need to select something from the color wheel here. Or pick a custom color, or you can adjust to exactly what you want. Or add in your desired red, green and blue. So come here to that. Final thing to note on your colors is that Excel has ranges of inbuilt size. So you can select an option from here. If you want to create a simple heading, you can select some of the options that Excel has built in automatically. So that's just a quick introduction to the font tab and how are you in a very simple manner can format your text within Excel. In later videos I will be looking at how you format numbers and alignments in cells. If there is anything else you are interested in knowing about, please do let me know and I will see you in the next video.